How to get rid of vomiting in pregnancy. One common issue that many pregnant women experience is nausea and vomiting, commonly known as morning sickness. In this video, we'll explore some effective ways to alleviate these symptoms and help you enjoy a more comfortable pregnancy. Welcome back, my powerful and beautiful mothers and parents-to-be, to pregnancy and beyond, and especially a game-changing episode dedicated to supporting you throughout your incredible journey of pregnancy. Before we dive into the tips, it's important to note that every pregnancy is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day is crucial. Sip on water, herbal teas, or even ginger ale to stay hydrated. You can also try flavored water or infusions to make it more enjoyable. Tip 2. Embrace ginger. Ginger has long been recognized for its anti-nausea properties. Incorporate ginger into your routine by sipping ginger tea, sucking on ginger candies, or taking ginger capsules. You might be surprised how effective this natural remedy can be. Tip 3. Acupressure bands. Consider using acupressure bands that apply gentle pressure on specific wrist points. This technique has helped alleviate nausea for some women. Give it a try. Tip 4. Take small, frequent meals. Instead of large meals, opt for smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This can help prevent an empty stomach, which often triggers nausea and vomiting. Tip 5. Avoid triggers. Pay attention to your body and identify any triggers that worsen your symptoms. Strong smells, certain foods, or greasy dishes can be culprits. Minimizing exposure to these triggers can make a significant difference. Tip 6. Rest and relaxation. Pregnancy can be exhausting, so make sure you prioritize rest. Find ways to relax and reduce stress, such as gentle walks, deep breathing exercises, or prenatal yoga. Take care of your well-being. We hope these tips add a splash of joy and ease to your pregnancy. And hey, if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on pregnancy and parenting.